Hello and welcome to another update video about the DXY. Today the DXY was talked up a little bit as I think a few of the statements that Jerome Powell made weren't completely priced into the market yet. So we've seen some upside, but nothing we didn't talk about yesterday. So in yesterday's video, we talked about that the upside scenario, the direct upside scenario, is still the preferred one as long as we stay above 104.09. And funny enough, it did hold and then continue to rally. Yeah, we said yesterday that obviously we've got two scenarios. In both, we expect higher or expected higher, yeah. But in one, and that was the preferred one, as long as we stayed above 104.09. So that was our signal level or the pivot point, which never broke. Either here directly or coming down in a deeper retracement before going up. Okay, so in both cases, further upside for the DXY. And yeah, we talked about the one where we finished 5 waves up here on the 17th of Feb. And then we said, okay, we've got our scenario A, B, and C, but that this would only become the preferred one below 104.09. As you can clearly see, we did hold that level. So for now, this is still a possible alternative, yeah. But it's now obviously getting less likely, and I'm going to hide this count now. But so the one that actually is primary remains primary because it adds up a little bit better. Did mention that yesterday, it just adds up a little better so that we make this B wave in one go without any strong retracements, okay? And how would these subdivisions work out? So I showed you yesterday already the A wave and the B wave here, where the B wave bottomed on the 15th of Feb or 14th of Feb, I think it was, yeah? And since then we've been moving up in what I consider to be a wave 1, which topped here on the 27th of Feb. Wave 2 to the downside, and we now move up in a third wave. So this would become some kind of a diagonal pattern in the C wave, yeah. So wave 3, then a wave 4, and a wave 5. Yeah. So in the C wave of B. Now again, the other one remains a possibility and remains certainly a viable option. But for now, I think we seem to be following this kind of trend channel. More or less, so probably rather like that. So I would focus a little bit on the trend channel, see if we find some resistance up there around $106. This could be the peak of the third wave. Yeah. Important is though that the third wave is not going to be the shortest one, so we should then get a wave 4, and the wave 5 should ideally be a bit shorter than wave 3. It's a bit too early for that, but either way, this could take it to higher price, and we might actually not go much above $106, $107 in this scenario for the B wave, yeah. So be aware of that. I mean, what we can never rule out is that this ABC is only going to be a larger A wave of the B wave, yeah. But we're not there yet. We can only trade and analyze what we see. But the latest price action makes it likely that we continue to move up a little bit. Up and down though, yeah, so there should be a wave 4 retracement coming after the wave 3 peaked. And then we've got obviously here the channel resistance, the trend line, plus we've got some resistance here around 105.61, basically exactly where we are now. The previous wave 4 high, that wave C high is at around 105.80, so there's a bit of a resistance area here. And yeah, this is sort of what we're watching out for. And then we will have strong resistance up here at around $107 US. So at the moment we are moving in an upward sloping channel following the primary count, so no change needed, and we have a bit of clarity. But bear in mind, the other scenario remains an alternative, an absolute viable and likely alternative. And overall, the trend is certainly up here at the moment in this B wave for the DXY. Okay, that's my update about the DXY. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.